where is Kenji? Is he here in Houston?
He's located here in Houston. He's got a pretty busy schedule ahead of him, but he's reading today.
Yep.
He actually wrote up the description for our app, which is pretty detailed. He's a really good writer, so I'm glad to have him on the team.
Hi, my name is Kenji Hirabayashi. I live here in Houston, Texas. I heard about the Digital Tribe Hackathon through a friend of mine, James Sewell, who I learned how to program with about this time last year. Since then, I have been just kind of staying active in the community. This is the first hackathon I've been able to do in about 6 months, so I'm really excited to be a part. In the past, I have gamified the marathon running process before, so this was a really interesting opportunity for me to be a part of a team to try to develop something, gamifying a process that can help future engineers in the oil and petroleum industry. So I'm really excited to be a part. Talk to you soon.
Okay, so I'm James Sewell, and this is Athena, and she just joined the team today, and she's helping out with sort of creating an introductory test for, well, I guess I should back up a little bit and explain the challenge that we're doing is called, I just call it the Bring the Heat Challenge. Basically, we are tasked with creating an application or some kind of system that can vet potential controllers aboard the IROC. And so we are going to kind of separate that into two sort of modules, and Athena's helping out with the sort of introductory module, which is it's based on a sort of exam that was created by the Secret Service, and it's a very interesting sort of logic and reasoning test. And so we thought that if someone can pass that test, then they're probably mentally capable of sort of handling ambiguity and sort of just, you know, cognitive ability. They're going to have a decent mental acuity, at least, depending on how well they do. You can kind of tell how the person thinks. But anyway, so there's that part, and then the part that I'm kind of focusing on is I'm building a 2D game that is based on the JavaScript framework known as Phaser.js, and Phaser is it's cross-platform, so it can run in any modern browser, and it can also be the game can also be easily adapted to fit on mobile screens as well as, you know, tablets, all the way up to, you know, your desktop. And so that game is going to be less of a test in terms of just like an exam, and more tactile, and a little bit more. It's going to test the person's spatial skills and how they deal with sort of puzzle solving under pressure, and so that's the second part. That's just sort of like it's a web app. The whole entire project is a web application with sort of two modules embedded in it, and there's going to be like a sort of instructions page. But the game is again, it's written in JavaScript, and I'm spacing a little bit, so I'm kind of rambling. So yeah, so there's two parts to the test, and again, I've got Kenji. He's contributing remotely. My friend Patrick Hildreth, he's going to be contributing, hopefully. My brother Jesse as well, he's definitely going to be contributing, and Athena. And I think that covers everyone. So yeah, any challenges we're going to be facing, we've kind of tried to work in a way to where everyone is doing things that they're sort of excited about and at least knowledgeable in the domain. Myself, I'm new to Phaser.js, so I'm learning it pretty quickly, and I like it. So I'm pretty good at JavaScript. So I'm having an easy time kind of building a game. But going forward, we're going to kind of narrow down what that game actually entails. And so challenges, we've got a lot of work to do, but I don't think we're going to have any real blockers, honestly, hopefully. But yeah, I hope I didn't ramble too much. And yeah, thank you.